This is what a day in the office looks like for me. I still have my rough days, while I'm working, but I can only complain so much. Try again. Where did that one go?
Oops.
Here you go. Here you go.
No.
This thing right here, this piece of shit right here, this tiny little stupid sensor is what caused my car to stop running on the road the other day. So we were driving down the road and we got in the turn lane and we were getting ready to, go into oncoming traffic. So luckily we were just in the turning lane, and all of a sudden this thing just decided to stop letting the car be on. So the car turned off. It killed. And I tried to start it back up and it just would not start. So I kept trying and trying and trying. And finally I got the thing back on. Got the car back on. So I just, luckily we hadn't made it that far, which, is also a testament to how messed up it was. We didn't get very far down the road. So we turned around, drove back home, parked the car, and then I made a few calls and found another one of these and found a mechanic to fix the car. Here in Clarksville, there's this awesome mechanic called MotoFix. Brian at MotoFix hooked me up. He worked me in the very next day and got the car fixed real quick. So eternally grateful to Brian at MotoFix. But yeah, this is a camshaft position sensor, and without this, if your car has one of these, useless. So sorry I didn't get any action in the heat of the moment footage of this, but man, it was awful. So the next day I went and I drove the car in to get it fixed, and the car died seriously no less than at least 5 times. I mean, just I was driving down the road and the shit would just kill, so I would just fire up the hazard lights and just hope the person behind me was paying attention, and luckily they were. So I made it into the shop and got the car fixed, and I'm just really glad that the car is fixed. But it's crazy that just this little stupid little sensor is just all it takes for your car to stop running. This is the old one. He put the old one back in the box that I had, because he was really cool and he let me save some money and buy one and bring it in myself, so I didn't have to just rely on his prices. He's a really honest mechanic. So yeah, I feel very fortunate to have found a good mechanic, but man, I just, damn it. I'm just glad it's over. Where's Scarlet? Where's Scarlet? There you are. Peekaboo. Hi.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.